Hey everyone! First of all, a warm welcome and thanks for purchasing my Premiere Pro course. My name is Jordi and I have a video production company called Cinecom. We make commercials, corporate films and other advertising films. Now, besides that, I've always been teaching my experiences from the film industry. I have put up a website called cinecom.net where you can find all my courses and ask for support if you have trouble during this course. The most important thing for a student is to learn something fast. That's not always so easy to do, since it's even more important to understand a good fundamental basis of Premiere Pro. I've taken these two things in account and made a very good balance in learning fast versus getting a good fundamental basis. After this video, I have 19 more lessons that will cover the important things step by step. You're able to follow along with the project files which you can download. Now, this introduction video is to get you prepared for the course. We'll start off with some boring things in the beginning, but it's very important to understand this information. You can skip it, but you then definitely bump into trouble that will direct you back to the first lessons. So bear with me. I've done my best to explain everything as easy as I can. Now, Premiere Pro is a professional application. Don't expect to learn it in one day, even though you could watch the whole course in a day. But I suggest to watch a lesson and then practice what you've learned. While you are testing out your new skills, you can watch that particular lesson again until you get a hang out of the new techniques that you've learned. So it could take weeks or even some months to fully understand the basics you will learn in this course. But here's the great part. I'm about to teach you in a way you will understand the fundamentals so well you should be able to explore the advanced tools by yourself. And that is what makes this course so interesting. So that was my advice to you before we should start on this course. I am very excited and I think you are too, so let's get started. Thanks for watching this introduction. Now follow me to lesson number 2, where I am going to teach you the fundamentals of a digital video file.